How to deposit money with Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how you can deposit money with Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to deposit money with Cash App, all you have to do is just go ahead and actually launch the Cash App on your phone. Now let's say you want to deposit money into Cash App, or maybe you want to deposit paper money from a nearby location, or maybe you want a direct deposit. What do you really want to do on Cash App? So basically, if you want to add some cash, you can tap on add cash, enter the amount you want to add, or just enter a custom amount as well. Then after that, just tap on the add button here. It will ask you to link your debit card, so just go ahead and link your bank or your debit card, link your card, and then you'll actually be able to add money in that way. The other is, if you want to deposit paper money from a nearby location, you can just go and verify identity first and then tap on paper money. And the other is, if you want to have a direct deposit, you can tap on direct deposit and then just select get free cash card and everything else to deposit directly. These were some of the ways on how you can actually deposit money with Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.